Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to search for profiles in GitHub. Finding specific profiles can help you connect with developers, collaborate on projects, and explore their work. So let's get started. First, open your browser. In the search bar, type github.com and press enter. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. For example, let's search for username. Now tap on Repositories to open a drop-down menu. Then tap on Users. Now the search results will show all the profiles related to your query. You can also view these profiles and follow them directly from the search results. And that's how you can search for profiles on GitHub. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.